With running a business, it can be difficult to justify buying a fancy camera to make videos in order to promote your business. The good news is that you can get amazing videos simply by using your cell phone in your back pocket. Today, I'm going to be talking through 5 steps you can take to boost your cell phone videography skills. The first thing to know is to record your video for the platform you are going to be posting on. For example, if you will be posting to YouTube or Facebook, make sure you film horizontally since that is the standard video format. But if you're going to be using Instagram Live or filming specifically for your IG stories, film with your cell phone vertically. Resolution, or video quality, is key too. Nowadays, 720, or high definition, is quickly going to the wayside as people are beginning to expect 4K footage everywhere they look. While 4K doesn't come on all devices yet, make sure you are recording in at least 1080, which is considered full high definition. You can easily change these settings under your phone's camera or video settings menu. Also, where you put your subject within the frame is important for creating aesthetically pleasing composition. To help with this, keep in mind the rule of thirds. This concept is simply to divide your frame into thirds both horizontally and vertically, and wherever those lines intersect are the points you want to place your subject or object of interest. Now, if you are able to spend a little cash, I'd recommend getting 1 or 2 mobile lenses from a company like Moment or Olloclip. Having lenses for your phone can immediately increase not only the quality, but also what you can capture. Too far from your subject? Get a zoom lens. Want to show off your entire shot? Purchase a wide lens so you can be sure you capture everything. And lastly, don't let the idea of editing what you just recorded make you nervous. There are many easy-to-use apps designed for simple editing, such as iMovie and Splice, where you can clip videos and add text or pre-built filters should you need them. With these 5 suggestions, your video content can increase in quality as well as boost your credibility and customer engagement. For other applicable tips, check out the Why Good Photography Matters video linked in the description below. The principles mentioned there can easily be translated to video work as well. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great educational content.